All right, everyone, strap in because today we're going to dig into some seriously cool stuff, like potential tech revolution kind of cool.
Oh, yeah. What we got this time?
AI.
Of course. AI. What's it doing now? Taking over the world.
Well, taking over software development at least, maybe?
Okay, now that's interesting. You know I'm all about that. What's got you so hyped?
I'm hyped because we're not just talking about AI helping write code here. We're talking about AI practically building entire apps all on its own.
Hold on. I got to hear more about this. How's that even work?
Well, OutSystems, you know them, right?
Yeah, sure. Big names in software development.
Right. Well, they just announced this AI tool called Mentor, and it's making some pretty wild claims.
Claims like, oh, what? Don't leave me hanging.
Like, it can help developers build apps faster and better. But I want to unpack that with you. What does that even mean in the real world?
I'm with you. Faster and better can be pretty vague.
Exactly. So imagine this. You have this awesome idea for an app, right? Maybe even just like a rough sketch on a napkin.
Okay, I'm picturing it. I've got napkin sketches everywhere.
So with Mentor, you could, in theory at least, feed that sketch right into the AI.
No way.
And it could actually help you generate a working prototype.
Wait, what? Like actual functional code?
Yeah. We're not talking about just a few lines of code here. We're talking about the AI building out the core functionality of an entire app.
Now, that's a game changer. If it works the way they're saying.
Right. It sounds like something straight out of sci-fi.
It really does.
Yeah.
But let's say they pull it off. Let's say it actually works. What does that mean for, actual human developers?
Yeah. Are we all about to be out of a job? Replaced by robots?
Well, the good news is probably not. Think about it. What's the least exciting part of developing an app?
Let me guess. Debugging.
Ding, ding, ding. It's all the tedious, repetitive tasks, right?
Totally.
So Mentor, the way I see it, it's not about replacing developers. It's about taking those tasks off our plates, freeing us up to focus on the more creative, complex, and frankly, interesting parts of software development.
So instead of replacing developers, Mentor is like this super-powered sidekick. Yeah.
Exactly. It's like having an AI partner who's constantly reviewing your work, offering suggestions, and catching those tiny errors that drive you crazy.
So instead of spending hours hunting down a missing semicolon,
You can focus on building amazing user experiences or architecting elegant, efficient code. It could be huge for productivity.
huge is an understatement. But is OutSystems alone in this AI development game?
Oh, not at all. Lots of companies are exploring AI's potential in software development. GitHub, for instance, they've got Copilot.
I've heard of that. It helps write your code for you, right?
Pretty much. It's gained a ton of attention for its ability to autocomplete code, suggest entire functions, even adapt to your coding style.
So the entire software development world is changing right in front of our eyes. It's kind of a lot to keep up with.
It definitely is. And who knows what new tools and advancements are just around the corner.
It's wild.
Absolutely wild. But here's the thing. While the specific tools and technologies might change, the fundamentals of good software development, those will always be important.
Like what?
Like problem solving, creative thinking, being able to understand and apply algorithms. These are skills that will always be valuable in this field.
So for anyone listening who's thinking about diving into app development, what's the best advice right now?
Stay curious. Embrace the learning process. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tools and technologies. The world of software development is evolving rapidly, and those who can adapt and learn will have a serious advantage.
That's great advice. So it sounds like this shift towards AI-powered development is just getting started. I, for one, am excited to see where it goes from here.
Me too. It's an incredibly exciting time to be involved in the world of tech, and I can't wait to see what amazing things we can create with the help of AI.
And there you have it, folks. The future of software development is here, and it's powered by AI. If you want to learn more about anything we talked about today, make sure you check out the show